Hello, friends. So much has happened since our last homecoming and reunion weekend. But even as times change, we want you to know that you always have a home here at Sidwell Friends. That's why I want to give you some insights into the new home of the upper school, so that you can see firsthand what it will look like as we move into the future by offering an extraordinary education to our students. The additional 5.5 acres of the Upton campus provide an invaluable opportunity to enhance how we teach and learn as a community dedicated to the intellectual, social, and spiritual growth of our students. With room to grow, we're designing spaces that encourage collaboration, curiosity, shared ideas, and meaningful interactions. Teachers will have access to a variety of facilities and spaces on different scales to encourage all levels of conversation and engagement. Classrooms will be outfitted for flexibility so that teachers can quickly adapt for class size, subject matter, or projects. Whether it's a chance conversation in the hallway with a fellow teacher or an interdisciplinary project on a new lab, well-designed spaces with attentive to the quality of light, sound, and air can profoundly shape the way we approach teaching. For students, this means new spaces to work together and experiment on projects as teams. It means new spaces to collaborate on clubs and community service projects, and have ample room for quiet study and simple reflection. Incorporating the latest innovations in environmental stewardship is core to who we are. The original design of this building lends itself to outdoor access at each level. We hope to preserve a connection with the local flora and fauna of the Rock Creek watershed. We made a conscious decision not to raise the building, as doing so would have had a tremendous environmental impact on our carbon footprint. We will aim to be carbon neutral with the implementation of geothermal wells and rooftop solar arrays. This plan offers students the opportunity to learn as we build and take away valuable lessons of energy, water, and air. Sharing downtime and allowing the space to form friendships is key. Students can retreat to many new spaces to meet as a club or unwind and catch up with friends. Or they can hang out with friends, see and be seen, and connect informally with teachers and friends. Our architects have paid close attention to natural light, skylights, air quality, and sound. Such connections help improve student well-being and conditions for learning. We are staying true to Quaker values, keeping true to a design of simplicity and integrity with reclaimed or locally sourced materials. Opportunities for quiet reflection will be sprinkled throughout the building, and quick access to nature is also important for a feeling of groundedness. I hope you've enjoyed this glance. More will become available next year. In the meanwhile, be well, and please stay in touch.